Dito, man.
Hi.
Hi.
Glad you take a picture with me.
You here every day?
Oh, what do you say?
Are you here every day?
Every day.
Good to see you, my friends. Come right here. Let's take a picture together.
Don't be shy. Sit right here, my friend.
Yeah. Now who's ready?
I got money.
Sit right there.
One teto.
That's awesome.
Yo.
Baby.
So sweet.
Baby. Come on.
What's your name?
Louis.
Look, Alex.
Alex? Louis?
Junior.
That's a beautiful name.
Yeah. Junior.
Thank
Louis
you.
and Alex.
Now everybody come right there. We're gonna take a picture together.
All right, let's.
Yeah. Don't be shy, my friends.
Sit right here. Let's take a
Can you-
selfie.
Can you say hi, Kayla and Gabriel from New York? Hold on for 1 second.
Kayla and Gabriel.
Yes, those are my kids.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hi, Kayla.
Hi, Gabriel.
We're here in New York. Such a beautiful people.
Yeah. Beautiful people.
Kayla and Gabriel.
They're very nice.
That's so sweet. Today's a beautiful day.
I got it. Another. Here, I give 5.
Okay, hold on.
I gave you 3.
Dude, let's take. Okay.
Toma los pesos ahí. So we got, that's 5. I
Listen,
give.
give them 10 between all
Yes,
Yeah.
that's amazing.
Ya yo le di
of us. He's
5.
awesome.
Well, ya yo le di
Oh, you ready
5.
for 5?
No, 5 is right there. I gave 5 to Dariel.
That's good.
Wait, I wanted to say hi to Jojo.
Go ahead, bro. Ask him.
Can you say hi to Josiah, Alejandro, and Ayana?
Josiah, Alejandro, and Diana.
Yep.
Hi. Hi, Josiah
Alejandro,
and Diana. Very happy to see you today.
beautiful people.
I give you kiss.
They're very nice.
Oh God.
In Central Park, New York. It's very nice out here.
Yeah. Very nice. They're beautiful people around.
La da 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 da. La da da.
Karen cracks me up with that.
Now
Yo,
come
that's
right
awesome.
here, my
He's gotta
friend.
do well.
Let's take a
All right, he's got.
selfie
Yeah,
together.
this is like.
I know he does
So
well.
La
let's
da
do.
da.
You want to take a picture, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
All right,
ask somebody
who's
to,
gonna take the? Okay.
Well, I don't know.
we can ask somebody to do it.
We can all.
No. So dog.
Come, my friends. Sit right here.
Okay.
Let's
So.
take a group picture.
Okay.
Ask somebody to take it.
But is it $5 per person, or is it $5?
No, it's whatever. Just gotta tip him. Just leave
La
money.
da
in.
da.
He's not gonna sit here and not make money.
Yeah. We have a prize. Yeah. Right. It's $5. Yeah.
La da
I
da.
don't want to do it with everybody here. Like,
Don't be shy, my friends. Waiting for you.
I'll even take one with him alone. I'm okay with taking one with him alone.
La da da.
Where'd he go?
My little one.
Just ask somebody to do it.
Seth, look, the Cookie Monster just left.
Your phone is the best because you got an iPhone.
Yeah.
I got a pretty decent phone.
Hobby, stop.
What?
Shit's whack compared to his.
Okay. So wait.
Yeah, why don't you guys take a picture with a phone?
Very good idea.
Love it. Hey, lad. Right here.
Come right here, my friends.